Namaste, Nepal! Swagacha Savai! Nepal Premier League Season 3!
We came here as champions. We tasted glory on this pitch. They say champions rise in glory, but true champions rise from the ashes. We fell, and from that pain we found our purpose. We returned to reclaim what was lost, not to relive the past, but to write a greater story.
This is Janakpur goals. Together we rise, together we shine.
Cause they obey, they know consensus. Be okay, but not relentless. They don't care if you don't.
जसरी लास्ट इयर हजुरहरूले सपोर्ट गरिदिनु भएको थिए त्यस्तै गरी यो पालि पनि हजुरहरूको साथ र सहयोग एकदमै जरुरत छ अनि यो पालि पनि सपोर्ट गर्नु होला.
Cause they obey, they know consensus. Be okay, but not relentless. They don't care if you don't care. No billion.